Hey guys, welcome to tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Hulu account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Hulu account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And in the search bar, click over there and type in the address hulu.com like this and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Hulu like this. Now from over here, in order to log into your Hulu account, you can see the login button at the top right corner of the page. But if you have not yet created an account on Hulu, you can simply click on the sign up for Hulu only button available over here to go through a procedure to create an account on Hulu. With that being said guys, let's click on login, and over here you'll be required to enter your email address like this, and after that enter your password which you had registered on Hulu at the time of creating your account. But if you've forgotten your email address or your password, you can simply retrieve or reset your account's password and your email address from over here, which is the forgot your email or your password. Click on that button to go through a procedure to retrieve your email address or your password depending upon which one you lost. With that being said guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on login button available over here, and then you'll be logged into your Hulu account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.